everybody, we're going to do some double heel lifts now. And these are, I'm going to have you kind of see the bottom half of my body here. So I'm kind of in a door frame so that I can hold onto the door if I need a little extra stability. This is not a balance exercise. So we're just going to go up and come back down. And oftentimes these are prescribed for to strengthen the calves as part of a preliminary lower extremity exercise, or somebody that's just getting back into moving, something that's been injured like a torn or partially torn Achilles. You will notice that I'm going up pretty high on my toes here, and that's getting a really a lot of motion or contraction across the muscle belly. But you can also just as easy go slightly up where I'm less than 2 inches off of the ground. And this might be a better start for people that are not, who are finding that going too high is irritating the ball of their foot or too hard. So oftentimes I start with short arc exercises, a little bit off the heel and then back down, a little bit up off the heel and back down. You want to make sure you're keeping the pressure distributed across the whole ball of the foot evenly between 1 and 4, so that you're not winging out or sickling, and you're keeping that muscle belly nice and contracted along both muscle bellies of the gastrocnemius. The next exercise is going to strengthen our soleus, and that's going to be double bent knee heel lifts. And here, I'm not going to bob up and down with this exercise like I just did. So when I do double heel rises, I'm going up and down. My whole body's going up and down. But when I do the bent knee, I want to keep everything very stable. So my hands are going to hold onto the wall here, and only you'll see my knees moving forward. This is similar to the double heel lifts where my knees were straight, but this time I'm just bending at the knees, and they're sort of going forward while the rest of my body is maintaining its position from waist and higher, okay? So that's the double bent, I'm out of breath. Double heel lifts for the gastrocnemius with the knees straight, and then the bent knee double heel lift for the soleus. And those 3 muscle bellies come together to make the calf muscle, and then that comes and turns into the Achilles tendon and the tendinous portion. So you want to make sure to strengthen both components. If you need to strengthen, they have different components of type 1 and type 2 fibers, so one might be a little bit more tiring than the other. The goal to start with is 50 double heel lifts and then 25 bent knee double heel lifts. So that's where we try to move over time when you're first starting your strengthening exercises.